I have never noticed that in 1 month, 5 to 6 top mice are introduced and appear on the market. So among the Logitech, Razer, SteelSeries, Lamzu, and Pulsar models, the completely unexpected ROG Harpe Ace Mini appeared, a shortened version of the already excellent Harpe Ace mouse. Let's see what this mouse brings us in practice. ROG Harpe Ace Mini is a top-tier mouse. It has everything in it and on it to become a new meta for all people who plan or engage in professional esports. But again, this mouse is also forged for us mere mortals, because why shouldn't we enjoy the equipment that professional players enjoy? The design of the Harpe Ace Mini mouse is very reminiscent of the Logitech Pro Wireless. It has the same shape, Logitech did not invent it, but this is proof that mice with a similar shape are the best on the market. ROG already knew this with the Harpe Ace, and in the Mini version they reduced the height, width, length, and of course the weight, resulting in a mouse that weighs only 49 grams. Since the mouse is small, it wouldn't be called a Mini, and it weighs only 49 grams thanks to green technology, more precisely biopolyamide. I can't say that I really like this material. It doesn't seem very promising to me, but to make it look as good as possible, ROG has done special coatings and textures that feel very nice in the hand so that the mouse gives the impression of a premium product. If you are looking for an even lighter mouse, ROG also presented an extreme version of this model with even less weight, but at the same time they gave up on eco-materials and switched to carbon fiber. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that it feels completely different in the hand, and I hope we will be able to test it soon. The mouse has an asymmetrical character. More suited for right-handers, the side buttons are only on the left side, while on both sides there is a carved texture that serves to prevent the mouse from slipping out of your hand. A diode is responsible for RGB. It is located under the wheel, which is transparent, and all this, in my opinion, rounds off the beautiful minimalist design. If it could have been done without the diode, it could have been. We would have had a 1 to 2 gram lighter mouse, but this way the mouse looks really nice with that transparent milky effect. At the bottom, we have incredibly good PTFE feats. You even have them around the sensor, and you get replacements in the package, which we will talk about in the next positive section. At the bottom, there is a button to change the DPI on the fly. Now who can change on the fly by lifting the mouse and clicking? Kudos to him. This position is strange to me, but who am I to judge? There is also a button for Bluetooth pairing and switch to change the tri-band connection, which we will discuss in more detail a little later. As you know, the best way to use the mouse is with your right hand, either in finger or claw grip. If you want to use it with its full circumference in palm grip, you have to have a very small hand. In my free estimation, the mouse is intended for a wide range of people, except for those with very large hands. All in all, an excellent design, and ROG has once again shown that it belongs at the top of the peripherals game. I had to put the mouse hardware in a separate positive category. Inside the mouse itself is a ROG Aimpoint Pro optical sensor that has a resolution of up to 42,000 dpi, and one of the main advantages is that you can use it on those glass surfaces that offer the least friction and the fastest terrain. This sensor is a variant of the best PMW sensor. Of course, ROG signed there as it does at every step. But if you are wondering if this sensor is good, it is not good. It is one of the best. For a good click, there are also optical micro switches, guess again, which is of course ROG, that offer a lifetime of 100 million clicks, have laser click registration and the lowest possible latency. The two that are built into the left and right clicks have a bit more click time than I'm used to, but the click itself is tactilely clear, precise, and comfortable. There are also 2 side buttons, very close to the thumb, and you can activate them with the smallest possible movement of the finger. In recent years, ROG has made a point of making its peripherals compatible with as many devices as possible, so you won't be surprised to find 3 possible connections, with a receiver that allows multiple simultaneous connections via a single USB dongle. You can use the Harpe Ace Mini mouse wirelessly via 2.4 GHz RF connection via Bluetooth, and you can achieve the lowest possible latency via cable, for which ROG has included a very thin, high quality, and flexible paracord cable. You will hardly feel any friction when moving the mouse. The mouse can be used in any mode without any problems. It is very flexible, and you can easily change the device using the buttons on the bottom. Thanks to the wireless connection, the mouse can withstand a little more than 100 hours of continuous use, which is perfectly fine in my opinion. ROG is always trying to give you that experience when you buy their products. It's not the same when you have to spend 10 minutes unpacking a mouse because it's in a box or just taking it out of the bag. Of course, it increases the price, but it also increases the experience. It's the same as when you get a pile of money lined up in a bank, a totally different awareness of money. In addition to the mouse itself, the package includes a dongle and its USB extender, so we have additional grips, 2 replacement PTFE sliders, a 2-meter USB-C cable, and on top of all that, there are accompanying booklets and stickers. Such a rich package. The ROG Harpe Ace Mini is, I repeat, a top-tier mouse, and as such, it does not come with ordinary things, but everything about it is excellent except the price, and of course the software. And maybe in one sentence I could complain about the lack of a USB accessory that serves to increase the polling rate. ROG Keras has it. Why not this one too? Because it is this plugin that helps us unlock the full potential of the 8000 Hz polling rate. You can't tweak a lot of things on this mouse without the software that you're offered to install as soon as you plug in the receiver. We all know that Armoury Crate software is full of unwanted programs, not user-friendly, outdated, and in need of an upgrade. The biggest turning point in buying this mouse is the price itself. Since the mouse just went on sale, the price varies as well. You can get the ROG Harpe Ace mouse for around $130, which is more than enough for a piece of peripherals. Harpe Ace Mini, thanks for being a guest in our editorial office. We are really excited about what you have to offer. Just lower the price a bit so that we mere mortals can enjoy your features too. Thank you again for being with us and for your support in the form of subscriptions, likes, and comments. So here's your chance to tell us what you think about this model. See you soon. Best regards.